I think we know that there's another way. It's just we're afraid of it because it's a lesser traveled path and it's not familiar to us. But I've spent a long time trying to figure out that path. I spent a long time trying to figure out that path, and I found it. And I'm just here to show people how to find it, get on it, and have massive success traveling down it.
Love this car. That's not what you're here for. So I just don't believe we're taught the right information. I see a huge problem. $1.5 trillion of student loan debt, 45 million college students in debt, graduating from a four-year university, $38,000 of average debt per person. Now, education, should you pay for it? Absolutely. But we're being taught the wrong things. We're not being taught how to learn. We're not being taught what to learn. We are misinformed. Nothing that I'm seeing people my age, people that are twice as old as me, people that are just getting out of high school, about to go into the $140,000 four-year degree, okay? I see none of them landing jobs above mediocrity. I don't see it, okay? It's not the American dream, it's American mediocrity at its finest. I'm self-taught, self-educated, and mentored by people that were performing at a 10x level higher than I was until I got to that point. I never went to college. I don't have the degree. My name is Oberg. I spent 4 years in sales. And when I got out, I wanted to start my own business. So I hopped right in and I started an entrepreneurial education company, teaching people social media, teaching people how to build businesses, teaching people even what a business degree wouldn't teach you, all right? What type of tax structure to have, what type of entity to have, how to scale online, how to master social media, how to master Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, the fastest growing social media platform in the world, how to invest in things like cryptocurrency, how to get your money set correctly. Because sitting in a bank, we're on an inflation rate of 2.36% per year. What does that mean? Even when you got the average 0.9% return in a savings account, you are losing about 1.5 to inflation. American mediocrity at its finest. We are not taught the right things. Now, if you're cool with being average, if you're just oblivious to it, you don't really care, really doesn't matter to you, okay, great. But if you're that person going, I know there's something more, I know I can be doing something else, yeah, there is. And what our parents, what our teachers, what our professors that make less than $70,000 per year taught us, maybe they didn't know any better, but there's another way. And the college path ain't working out so well. We're graduating with $47,000 per year salaries, $38,000 in debt, $952 apartments, $523 car payments. These are just statistics. We ain't even need to discuss this. This isn't even up for debate. This is pure simple truth. We're taught, hey, go get a financial advisor. He's going to teach you how to invest. Guess what? Financial advisors make between $57,000 and $91,000 per year. American mediocrity. If you're not knocking on that multiple six figures, if you ain't knocking on that 300, 500K at least per year, all right? It's American mediocrity. You got to get there. You've been taught, hey, college is going to be success. Hey, the white picket fence and the Honda Odyssey, that is success. Hey, get married, have kids, slave for 40 years so you can maybe retire when you're 65. It's not working, guys. I've seen it time and time again, and nobody's proven that wrong, okay? It doesn't work. The art of living is when you have true freedom. Freedom comes through having your finances right. Okay? And when you don't slave for money, when money works for you, that is true success. When money works for you, that is true success. All right? And money working for you means that you create income in an efficient time frame. Okay? You don't slave for it. Money works for you. You don't work for it. And that's the biggest problem we have with traditional education and what we're taught in schools with our degrees and our jobs, okay? We slave for money. We think we got to put in 50 hours to get out a 50-hour paycheck. Okay? The people that have mastered the art of living are the people that create money residually. They've created an infrastructure and a business that creates residual income. You don't work for money, money works for you, okay? And the art of living is being able to have time and money. And most people have one or the other. They're broke and they got lots of time, but they got lots of money and they're not able to enjoy it. All right? And so what do I do? What do I teach? I just teach how to take any passion. That's the thing. Money is not the motivation. Passion is the motivation. Getting to the point where you can monetize your passion. Monetizing your passion Don't care if you want to be a makeup artist. Don't care if you want to be a blogger. Don't care if you want to be a social media icon. Don't care if you want to be an Instagram influencer. Don't care if you want to sell sex toys. It really doesn't matter, guys. Don't care if you want to be the next greatest investor. Don't care if you want to be an actor. Don't care if you want to be a musician. Don't care if you want to be a model. Guys, monetizing your passion. Learning what works now. Staying away from the $140,000 college degrees taught by professors who live mediocrity, who make $60,000, $70,000 per year. Guys, you've got to have time and income. And when you can look and say, wow, you know what? I absolutely love what I do, and I'm able to have options. I do what I want, where I want, with who I want, whenever I want. I'm able to hang out with who I want. I'm able to eat the right things. I'm able to have a healthy mind, a healthy body. All right? When you understand how to learn, we're not taught this. Your brain, it has all these different states. Theta, beta, alpha, gamma. They're each good for different things. These are the kind of things, this is the information that can allow you to unlock languages faster, allow you to monetize and learn more information quicker and more effectively, allow you to remember things better, allow you to market better. We're not taught communication, guys. Marketing is just communication. Communication is listening to the things that aren't said. We are not taught how to communicate. We're not taught how to get relationships. We're not taught how to create businesses with successful people. We're not taught any of this. Business degree, business professor, they don't know any of this. So I have a real problem. So what do? I'm an entrepreneurial educator. I teach the things that aren't taught in the ways that they're not taught, in the environment that they're not taught in. And we have success. My name's Ben Oberg. I've taught people all over the world. I've had hundreds of people quit jobs through what I teach. And I'm all about helping people. The biggest gratification I have is getting paid to help people do what they love to do. And that's what I do. So taking your passion and being able to turn it into income. And I'm not talking the $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 per year. Let's get it on the $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, $1 million. Let's get the 6, 7, 8 figures per year. All right? People have been taught to just settle. Just be thankful. Just be happy. You're blessed. You know what? You deserve a lot more. You deserve a lot more out of your life. Friendships, relationships, finances, time, freedom, everything. And if you have not been taught to master that, if you don't have somebody in your life, if you don't have a mentor, if you don't have somebody teaching you that, there's the answer. Appreciate you guys watching this. My name is Ben Oberg, and I look forward to working with you soon.
I've spent a long time trying to figure out that path. I spent a long time trying to figure out that path, and I found it. And I'm just here to show people how to find it, get on it, and have massive success.